States of matter means form, the form in which a substance is found, found in ordinary or normal conditions. Ordinary or normal conditions, it is called as states. It is called a state of, that. Like, we have to see in case of water. So water is all know. Water is found in three states. Water is found in three states. First state is, gaseous state. Gaseous state. Second is liquid state. And third is solid state. So these are the three states of water. Gaseous state means gas state. Then coming to liquid state. Then coming to solid state. So we'll see each one of the state step by step. So first, gaseous state. So gaseous state means water vapors. Water vapors forms the gaseous state of water. And the question is how water vapors are formed. Formation of water vapors. So water vapors are formed by the conversion of liquid water into gas by either boiling or by heating or by evaporation. So liquid water in the liquid state, this either on evaporation or heating or boiling, it is converted into water vapor. So water on boiling or water by evaporation on its own, you all must be knowing that when we keep water at normal condition, water evaporates at room temperature. So this formation of water vapors can be at room temperature, it can be at room temperature or on heating. So this can be, at the normal condition also. We keep our, wet clothes outside in sun because sun has energy. Sunlight has energy. It causes evaporation. And as a result of this, clothes are dried. Similarly, when water spills on the ground, when farmers apply water or irrigate their crops, what happens? The soil absorbs the water, and as a result, water evaporates. Some water is taken to the plants, the rest water goes away. So this is also, so water vapors goes away in the atmosphere. And as a result, there is the formation of clouds. You all must be knowing how clouds are formed. Clouds are formed by the evaporation of water, either from any field or by water bodies. So water bodies like ponds, lakes, rivers, canals. So they water from there is converted into gas, water vapors, steam, and as a result, it is able to accumulate in the sky, and there is formation of clouds. So this is about the water vapors. Now coming to second condition, this formation of ice. So ice is formed, water liquid, and when it is allowed to undergo freezing. Freezing means we keep in refrigerator. Keep in refrigerator. So, below 0 degrees Celsius or around 0 degrees Celsius, this water liquid is converted to water solid. Water liquid is converted to water solid, and so there is the formation of this ice. So when we keep water in refrigerator or in a deep freezer, or water at mountains or the hills, when the temperature is very low, glaciers are there, frozen lakes are there, so water undergoes freezing. Keep in refrigerator below 0 degrees Celsius, or in the normal condition also. Keep in refrigerator or at low temperature in hills or cold places. So these are the points that liquid water is converted into water solid. Water solid, it is nothing but it is ice. And ice is formed at 0 degrees Celsius. So 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point. 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of water. Freezing point of water, 0 degrees Celsius, and so this is the solid state of water. Now coming to third, liquid state. Liquid state of water, that is, this is normal. This is normal water. Naturally, normal water means we use water for the different purposes. So the water which is used, for our daily needs like drinking, washing, cooking, irrigation. So we use liquid water. So liquid water is used for our different purposes, and if water is frozen at the hills, what they do when you go Kullu, Manali, Simla, Jammu, where the water is frozen. So the persons, they melt the ice. There is no option. Ice has to be melted. The soldiers who are at the Leh, Ladakh, China problem is going on. So what they do? They require water. So only option is this ice has to be heated, ice has to be melted, and then water is used for different purposes. So the normal water, it is there, normal water or liquid water. So water, when it is at 0 degrees Celsius, it is ice. So when the temperature is, rises, when temperature rises above, then ice melts to water liquid. Ice melts to water or liquid water. So it is good. So normal water is stable above 0 degrees Celsius. You have to keep in mind that normal water is stable only at 0 degree, above 0 degrees Celsius. Below 0 or at 0. So it is ice at 0. This is at 0. And steam or water vapors, they are formed at 100 degrees Celsius. So I am going to correlate the three states of the water. Three states of water like this. Here ice, then this liquid water, and here we have the water vapors. What? So just I'm going to establish a relationship, how they are related. This type of arrow mark, this is reversible. Half arrow is called reversible sign or sign of reversibility. So you know, ice is converted to water vapors. Water vapors are converted to ice. So there is, you know, cycle. So start with the liquid water. So on evaporation or on heating, liquid water is converted to water vapors. Water vapors into liquid water, it is called condensation. So condensation means the conversion of any liquid vapor into liquid itself. It is called condensation. Then liquid water to ice. So it is freezing. Liquid water is converted to ice by freezing. Now it takes place at 0 degree Celsius or below 0 degree Celsius. Now ice is converted to liquid water either by melting. Melting is also called as fusion. Melting. Melting or fusion. Now coming to, you know, ice to water vapors. So ice to water vapors, here it is on the, you know, evaporation. This evaporation, you all must have seen ice cubes. When we take out ice cubes, and so ice is in the fridge at 0 degree Celsius. But when we take out, we notice the vapors are coming either from the ice cubes or from the, you know, ice creams even. See carefully. Why? Because of the evaporation. Temperature starts just raising. Temperature starts increasing due to normal temperature. So, you know, temperature has, you know, started increasing. So what happens? The liquid is converted and the ice gives away the, you know, it is very cold, and as a result it is lower down the temperature, and as a result we have the formation of water vapor. So the vapors from the ice cream or ice cubes are due to the condensation because it is seen only. See here I have drawn this ice cube. So you see the vapors are seen only around the surface of ice cube or around the ice or on the ice, just below. See if you take, you know, ice cream. So see here, just around it, just little bit on the surface, because small amount of ice cannot ice or ice cream cannot satisfy the larger area. So it is confined to very small places. Now coming to on this side, water vapors on condensation. Water vapors on condensation. Water vapors of condensation, it forms the ice. So this is the relationship. This is the relationship how the water in the three states are related. Now children, I'm going to tell one new point to you, and it is called as triple point of water. Triple point. Triple point of water. Triple point of water. So triple point of water means the temperature at which all the three states of water exist together. All the three states of water exist together. That is solid, liquid, and gas. So it is at 0 degrees Celsius. So at 0 degrees Celsius, all the three states of water exist together. All the three states of water exist together. You all must be knowing, and you can do it very simple experiment. You can do very simple experiment, like this triple point of water. So see here, take this, and you can do take a plate here. Take a plate and place here ice cube. Place here ice cube. This is a plate, and here it is ice cube. You can do very simple experiment, and you all must be knowing. Just I am going to explain. You all must be knowing something new concept. So as I have said earlier, also you see water vapors. Water vapors, they just have covered the ice cube. They are just above the surface of the ice cube, and so it is here. It is the first solid. This second, it is gases, and simultaneously you also notice that around this there are the liquid water. The liquid water, it is liquid water. It is just around. So third, so liquid water will be around the ice cube in all the directions. So children, this is called as a triple point of water, and so this is all about the states of water.